Friends, welcome back to Eat East Indian channel, and today we have a fantastic snack for you. This is called Bhel. It's a popular Indian street food and it's perfect snack on the go or when all of a sudden you've got guests over this festival season. Make sure to serve them this Bhel. So here we have 1.5 cup of puffed rice. You can get them from Indian grocery stores, from your local ethnic store, or perhaps order them online. In India, they are commonly available. Here in North America, it's a little bit of a challenge to find them. Set these aside. Let's heat up some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, we will add in 1 tablespoon of Chana Dal. This is chickpea lentil. Along with them, we will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, the black ones, because they lend an amazing flavor to this dish. We will let these seeds splutter along with some unsalted raw peanuts. You can crush them or whole seeds are just fine. They lend a nice bite to our dish. Next, adding some salt as per your taste depending on quantity you are cooking. Dried curry leaves. If you can get your hands on some fresh ones, that's even better. They are not easily accessible to me, so I use dried curry leaves and the result is equally good. A little bit of turmeric for that beautiful yellow color that we often see in a Bhel Puri. Mixing these ingredients well, we'll let these ingredients sizzle together so that the oil becomes fragrant with these flavors from the lentils, from peanuts, from curry leaves and mustard. And after about few minutes, when they've been roasting, then we will add in other ingredients. So giving few minutes to our ingredients. Look at that sizzle. My whole kitchen is really fragrant. Now I'm going to add in puffed rice in this, and we'll give it a nice mix so that rice soaks in some of the flavor from rest of the ingredients. Also, you can see that rice is turning nice and golden because of turmeric. And when we combine all these flavors together, our dish turns out beautifully. Alright, lightly roasting rice along with the other ingredients, and then we will turn the heat off. Now you have choice of keeping this warm or you can let it cool down. Then we add in a little bit of kala namak powder. This is rock salt, also Himalayan salt will work. Half a teaspoon. And then little bit of chaat masala. So again, dependent on the quantity, about half a teaspoon for me. I've transferred everything in a bowl, and now we are adding in a little bit of raw veggies. So onions, tomatoes, cilantro, green onions, they go really well together. So there are several different ways of preparing this bhel. This is my style. This is the way I like to make it at home. It's a great snack for tea time. Chopped cilantro is going on top. Next, we will add in some lemon juice and we will add in some tamarind juice. Let's mix these ingredients together. And then we will add in our lemon juice and tamarind. So this gets ready in no time and it tastes absolutely wonderful. So tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 to 4 teaspoons of tamarind juice, depending on what kind you have. You don't want your mixture to be too sweet, salty, right? Just the right amount. You can check out my tamarind sauce recipe if you haven't already done so. And that's it. Once all these flavors have come together, serve them to your guests. I hope you like this recipe, guys. Give it a try in your own kitchen. And I will bring many more exciting recipes to you. So keep watching Eat East Indian channel. Perfect little bhel for us with amazing flavors. A little sweet, a little tangy, a little spicy, although we didn't add much chili. But you can add green chilies to make it more spices as per your taste levels. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.